him coming back, maybe. This is my baby. Here he comes. This would be him. This is my man. Alright, now I'm going to have to get out of the way here. You want to do a burnout? Alright, let's see if we can back up. There he goes. My man is in 7th heaven. Yes, he is. He is in 7th heaven. Go down here and turn around, maybe? A little bit. He caught a little bit, not much. Wait till we get the new tires on it, though. We'll put some pretty new tires on it. They should be in within the next week, hopefully. I had to order them. I don't know where he went now. Where'd he go now? Here, I figured he's just going to go down and turn around, but I guess not. I'm on, baby. Where are you at? Huh? Where are you at? I hear him. Could swear I hear him. But I don't see him. Yeah, here he is. There he is. You see him down that way? Huh? You see him sitting down there at the stop road there? He's going to be coming home here. Yep, he is. Yes, he is. There he is. And it is all of his glory. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yep, here he comes. There's my guy. There he is. Oh yeah, listen to him pop. Listen to him pop. He's gonna go down by Brett's. Yep. There's son's waiting down there. See if we can zoom in a little bit more. There's Brett going out. Yep. Okay. Yep. Zoom back out. I'm gonna zoom back out. And I'm going to shut it down for a little bit.